Oh, hey, buddy. What's up, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
What the? Oh, this is how we start now?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, bet.
Anyway, today we're gonna work on the front end.
Just get on with it. Now, this front end is gonna be all brass. It took a lot of trial and error, but I finally got it.
All brass.
That's what I said.
That looked like a paperclip.
Okay, all brass and a paperclip. Happy now?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Oh, and plastic too. So basically, it's not all brass.
Will you stop distracting me?
Now look, I didn't make you do that.
You lucky I found it.
You mean you're lucky you found it. Thank you. Don't clap for him.
Thank you.
So anyway, I actually got better at soldering. Oh really? While I was doing this, because I didn't mean for it to be so
Complicated?
yeah, complicated.
So why is it so complicated?
Well, first off, I wanted a steerable front end.
Okay.
But it's gonna be visible, so I wanted it to be functional and also have that ratty look. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
So we off topic. Why do you always add sparks?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
And I know sometimes the video get blurry.
Yeah.
But that's just because my truck is idling.
Oh, because your truck is idle.
Yeah, because it was cold.
Very random.
Random.
What does your truck idling have to do with the blurriness of the video?
Well, the truck is vibrating.
Okay.
Which is causing the table that my camera is sitting on to vibrate.
Okay, I got you.
Now, my camera do got the shaky cam thing, doohickey inside it, or whatever.
I don't think that's what it's called,
That's
but
helping
okay.
out a lot. But unfortunately, you do get blurriness every now and then.
Oh.
You know, I'm kind of glad you cleared that up. That was not funny. Sure it was. Cleared that up. Get it? Oh, I get it. So here I'm finishing up on the cups that are gonna hold the springs.
Wait,
springs? Yeah. Remember I said fully functional? Oh, I thought you were just talking about like steerable. Yeah, a steerable working suspension. Made out of brass. And plastic.
What else?
And the paperclip. Okay. So now I'm starting to get what you're talking about.
Starting to get.
Yeah, look pretty
Okay.
mechanical.
Thanks.
Now I'm just attaching the cup piece to the main
So
part.
this is
like some major brass work.
Yeah,
here.
you could say that.
I mean, it's not just like a front end. It's like a front end. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah. I mean,
Get it?
This is so much brass work.
Yeah.
It's like technically, it is the model.
What you mean technically?
Because you can make a model out of anything, but
Okay.
the original model, the only original part you got from it is the cab.
The cab.
And then you cut that in half.
Right.
You cut the doors out.
Uh-huh.
So it's like very little that's original.
It's a rat ride. A rat ride. Anyway, so where are we now?
So now I gotta make the top bracket for the springs.
Oh yeah, the springs.
I'm gonna drill these two holes out.
Two
I'm gonna
holes.
insert two tubes,
Wait,
brass
so
tubes,
There's two tubes
to go into the top of the springs
wait,
to hold it like that, as opposed to cups
Wait,
on
cups?
the top also.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I didn't have a drill bit the size of the hole that I needed.
Is that
So
a problem?
I'm just using a smaller bit to bore that hole out.
Okay.
So when are we actually gonna see the spring? You mean this spring?
Yeah. That was weird.
So I'm just gonna cut the spring in half and use it like that. I mean, I could have them longer and to have more
Alright.
suspension, more
Yeah.
bounce, but
That makes sense.
I want it pretty low, so they'll be pretty short.
Okay, I got you.
And this little tube, it'll fit perfectly
In that hole?
in this hole and in the spring. So I'm gonna solder these two in here like so.
All right. Let's get to it.
What you mean? Let's get to it.
No,
You
I
said
just-
that like you're doing something.
Okay. I thought you said you got better at soldering.
I did.
I got better. I didn't say I was the best. By the looks of it, you could use a few pointers. Yeah, thanks for that non-helpful tip. Oh, you welcome. Now, as you can see, we got that done. Now it's time to bend the sides down and get it fitted.
Okay.
To the rest of the frame. Oh yeah, the spring do fit on that. Somewhat.
It fits. Don't worry.
Hakuna Matata. Now what is that? That is the rest of the frame. Oh. Oh, there's that bending you was talking about. Yep. I still don't see how you're gonna get that and that other part together, and it's gonna work. Well, it's gonna this, and you know, it's gonna be spectacular and spectacular. Wait, hold on. All right, you see the part on top? Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna have to connect that to the part on the bottom. Okay. But it's gonna be movable, so it's gonna be on like a fulcrum. Oh, yeah, you get it? No. Well, just sit back and watch. All right, you get it. Now you get it? Nope. How about nope? Are you even what? What? Can you wait till I ask the question before you answer it? Oh, you was asking me a question? Yeah, never mind now. Oh, I was just singing that new No song. No song? It just be like, nope, nope, nope. Can you stop being annoying? Nope. Anyway, starting to come along, so I'm gonna do a little cleanup, knock off some of this extra solder. Good thing you're an expert. Way better than you. Yeah, I doubt that. So now I'm just tracing the outline of this frame onto this core board. Okay. And then what? And then I'm gonna take the core board and I'm gonna cut it out. And then I'm gonna take the cutout and I'm gonna trace it onto this brass. And then I'm gonna cut it out. Okay. So now that I got that cut out, I'm gonna do a little dry fitting, test fitting, make sure everything is gonna go, you know, in the right place. Any questions? And then what? And then I'm gonna solder everything up. Okay, that joint look a little better. I appreciate that, sir. No problem. You know, I give credit when credit is due. Really? Now I'm soldering this tube on, because this will be the pivot point. Pivot point. I'm gonna cut the center out. Why would you do that? And, you know, as opposed to soldering two halves onto it and having to try to line them up, because more than likely they won't be lined up. You right. And you have to keep, you know, readjusting and, you know, that would suck. Tweaking and twerking and twerking. Well, maybe not twerking, but you get it. I don't know. Well, anyway, I did the same thing to the bottom part, but I used a rod instead of a tube, so that I could squeeze the center and insert that into the tube. What are we talking about? You know what I'm saying? So there's the pivot. Oh, now you get it. I get it. All that time I thought you was just wasting my time. What? I mean, I thought. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So it do look. Shh. Don't shush me. Never mind. You already ruined the moment. What was you about to say? Well, I was about to say that it looked pretty good. Oh, thanks, buddy. Since you shushed me, it looks awful. That's the worst front end I've ever seen. So now let's see what it looked like with the motor in it. Oh yeah, that looked nice. Cue the explosion. I mean, wait, explosion? So now what you think? What I think? Well, I think it's a tad bit too dramatic. I mean, explosions and come on. No, the front end, the suspension, the brass work. Come on. Oh, it's alright. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, peace. You're not gonna tell them to like, comment, and subscribe? Oh yeah, like.